What's going on YouTube? Today we got an unboxing video on the new JRL FF20 trimmers. So yeah, let's get right into it. Today I'm going to show you guys what you guys receive inside the package, what comes in it, and show you guys a little bit of the trimmer. So yeah, there's the trimmer. So it comes in there, you pull this out, and you get some stuff in the inside over here. So you get a menu, you get a charging port, then you get a little bag, a little screwdriver, a brush, and some oil. Okay, so now I'm going to read off a little bit of what it has right here. So it has a cool blade technology, lithium ion battery, 2-hour runtime, 2-hour charge time, and then it has max 7,200 revolutions per minute on the speed of the motor, high grade stainless steel stationary blade, and titanium moving blade. So those are the blades that it has. And then it has torsion is 3 times more powerful than most trimmers on the market. So that's the motor, is a torsion, has a torsion motor. And then the kit contains clean brush, lubricant oil, screwdriver, charger, and blade adjustment tool and protector. So I don't see the blade adjustment tool. I don't know if this probably might be the blade adjustment tool. I'm not sure. I would have to probably mess with it, see how you could do that. I'm not sure though. I think this is it though. I think this is what they're talking about. I don't see how that would adjust it though. That's pretty interesting. Never seen that. Never seen an adjustment on a tool like that. But yeah, this is the new trimmer they brought out. Haven't tried these out. Probably will try them. Probably put some little videos of me trying them out the box, how they would hit out the box, and then I'll zero gap them, and I'll do another couple of videos, probably like little clips, and show you guys how they work zero gap and straight out the box. Let's see which one works better. But yeah, this is the clipper. I'm gonna turn it on real quick, give you guys a little, see how it sounds, the sound test. They feel pretty strong. They feel good in the hand though. I thought they would have been a little bulkier, but now they're actually pretty good in the hand. That's pretty good. Oh, and then they got the 360 little skeleton look right here. So when you go around the ears, when you're trying to work in areas that are a little tougher, so that's what the 360 cut around here is for. That's pretty dope though. Let's see if they cut like the gold FX skeleton from Babyliss. We'll see. We'll have to check that out. But yeah, I'm gonna put some videos on there and let you guys know what I think about it. And yeah, I mean a 2-hour run time is good. I don't think you'll need more than 2 hours on the trimmer. That's pretty good though. That's the trimmer. And yeah, man, here goes some video clips.